In this short video, I'll guide you through how to create a Temu account and unlock an exciting $100 bonus to jumpstart your shopping spree. Temu's $100 bonus is a game changer, offering incredible savings on your first purchase. Imagine saving big on your wish list items while exploring Temu's massive catalog of amazing deals. Countless shoppers have already taken advantage of this opportunity to shop smarter and enjoy more for less. Hello and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar platforms, including step-by-step guides to unlock rewards like these. Stay with me until the end to learn how to get a refund on Temu and still keep the items. Note that this process works best on your smartphone or tablet. Now, let's get started on how to create your Temu account and claim your $100 Temu sign-up bonus. To start, grab your mobile device and head over to the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for the Temu app, download it, and tap Install. Once installed, open the app and tap View button at the bottom. Next, tap the Sign in or Register button. You can register using various methods, including Google, Facebook, your email, or phone number. Choose the option that suits you best and follow the on-screen prompts to complete your registration. If you use the Temu account login with email, you might be prompted to add a phone number at the end. When the process is completed, your Temu account is created, but that's not all. Before we continue with how to claim the bonus, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now, let's continue with claiming the bonus. Once your account is set up, look for the reward section within the app. This is often displayed prominently on the home screen or within the U account settings. Temu might also notify you directly with a pop-up. Just be sure to watch out for the bonus right after signing up for the Temu account. Tap on the bonus offer and follow the instructions to claim it. Bonuses can range from $100 credit to special discounts. You can also maximize your rewards by using referral codes. Explore the reward section for additional points, or keep an eye out for seasonal promotions. But what if you aren't satisfied with your order on Temu? In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get a refund on Temu without returning the items. Tap here to watch it after this video. To explore more Temu video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.